Covering the westernmost part of Bohemia, the Karlovy Vary region spans around 3,300 square kilometers, making it the second smallest region in Czechia with a population of around 300,000. The region's landscape is beautifully diverse, shaped by the Ore Mountains to the north and the Slavkov Forest to the south. This varied topography supports a range of ecosystems from dense forests to mineral springs, contributing significantly to its scenic charm. Combined with its rich architectural heritage, this makes the region a popular destination for visitors, both domestic and from neighboring Germany. Karlovy Vary, the capital, was established in the 14th century by Emperor Charles IV, who founded the city upon discovering its hot springs. Since then, it's been renowned for its spa industry, which flourished particularly in the 19th century. The region is also famous for producing the world-renowned herbal bitters called pecherovka. With a population of about 50,000, Karlovy Vary is a vibrant cultural center. The annual Karlovy Vary International Film Festival is one of the leading events of its kind in this part of Europe, attracting world-class movie stars and enhancing its reputation as a premier tourist destination. The entire region is home to the West Bohemian Spa Triangle, which includes towns of Mariánské Lázně and Františkovy Lázně, part of the Great Spas of Europe, and listed as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. These locations are celebrated for their well-preserved architecture and the rich cultural tradition of European thermal spas.